Hey guys, I have HP neverstop 1000 printer. Actually, I'm facing a problem. This toner light is continuously blinking. I have refilled this drum unit 2 times, but still the problem is not solved. As you can see, the indication is still blinking and there is no increase in indication. So after observation, I just found that there is a problem with the toner chip. So I don't have a toner chip, so I bought a new compatible drum unit. If you find a toner chip available in the market, you can replace it and solve the problem. So I don't have, so I'm replacing the whole unit. So now I will unwrap the unit and check whether the problem is solved or not. Just wait and watch. So as you can see, this is a new compatible drum unit. Carefully open the drum cap as you can see in the video. Now open the cover. Remove the old unit. As you can see, there is lots of toner spillage inside the printer. Now just put a new drum unit inside the printer. Please be very careful. Close the door. Now as you can see, the indication has been increased. That means the problem has been rectified. So there is a problem with the toner chip. So I don't have a toner chip, so I have replaced the whole unit. If you find toner chips available in the market, you can solve the problem by replacing the chip. So if you find the video interesting and helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.